The Human Performance Lab is located in the Mondor Center for Nursing and Health Sciences, and it's a state-of-the-art research and teaching lab that really probes the spectrum of human health, from athletic performance to disease prevention, treatment, and management. We have a wide variety of equipment. Some of it is focused on particular faculty members' research expertise. One of the things several of us are interested in is exercise, again from a performance and health perspective. So we have 2 research-grade treadmills and a cycle ergometer. We also have metabolic carts that allow us to look at oxygen use at rest and during exercise, which can give information on performance, but also on someone's health and disease risk. We have a full cardiovascular suite of tools with an electrocardiogram that allows us to measure small changes in heart rate that might occur after exercise, a beat-by-beat blood pressure monitor where we can look at tiny changes in blood pressure regulation, and a vascular ultrasound where we can look at imaging blood vessels and see how they respond to various stressors. We also have several faculty members with research interests in heat stress, so we have a small plunge pool, a single-use hot tub or cold tub where we can look at, for example, heat or cold baths after exercise and the impact they have on recovery and health. We have an environmental simulator that allows us to adjust the temperature and humidity to simulate virtually any environment on Earth and look at how people's physiology changes when they're exercising in that environment. And we additionally have a dual energy X-ray absorptiometry scanner, which allows for really precise measurement of body composition as well as bone mineral density. We have 4 faculty members who do research in our lab. Myself, Dr. Matt Ely, Dr. Maggie Morrissey-Basler, and Dr. Kara James. And the research projects really encompass a broad variety of topics. For example, Dr. Kara James looks at gait biomechanics. So we have force platforms and a wearable motion capture system where you can look at changes in walking patterns in health and disease. We have projects looking at exercise heat stress, so exercising in the environmental chamber and how that changes fluid balance. Projects looking at the impact of hot or cold baths after exercise to look at which one might be better for recovery. And then I also have a clinical trial looking at post-exercise heat exposure using a leg bath model and their impact on ambulatory blood pressure, which was funded by the Rhode Island INBRE program. As a primarily undergraduate institution, we really value student involvement and engagement in research. One of the cool things about doing this human health research is that it usually counts as clinical experience hours for people looking to go on into graduate programs that require clinical experience. So they are learning everything from how to carefully place an electrocardiogram to get a clear measurement, typical responses to heat or cold stress, how to treat someone or manage a condition if you're worried about someone's health during a trial, and even just the bedside manner, making any research participant in there feel as comfortable as possible. In addition, we have a new class, Physiology of Exercise, where their lab component will actually take place in the Human Performance Lab. So we'll have groups of students going through there, learning to use all this equipment and learning how it's used in performance and clinical settings. It's an incredible resource. I feel really grateful for the support of Providence College and the work that we did, the fact that we have several faculty members that collaborate really well together to share this space, and to have equipment that really only a few colleges in New England have. The students are really impressed by the equipment and the projects happening in that lab. We have a large volume of students who are very interested in getting involved in research, and we're continually working to find more ways to make that happen. By going to the Department of Health Sciences website and clicking on Research and Engaged Learning, we have some information about research projects happening in our lab and throughout the School of Nursing and Health Sciences. And in addition, there'll be a link to the Human Performance Lab where you can learn more about the faculty members and specific projects we have going on, and whether you even want to volunteer for one.